overarching vision for 2021 to 25 is to keep the communities of Dyfed-Powys safe, maintaining trust and confidence in our police and criminal justice system as a whole. This means we support our communities when there is crime and antisocial behaviour. Services are accessible to all, recognising diversity and Welsh language. We tackle high community harm problems, including substance misuse, violence against women and girls, and mental health. We meet our community's crime prevention needs, protecting the public and building resilience. And our public engagement drives strategic decision-making. Dyfed-Powys Police Force is an integral part of our communities, and this unique relationship is of paramount importance. The public must remain at the heart of everything we do and every decision we make. We will monitor how the police, commissioned services and partners deliver against the priorities. Critically, this is a living plan which will evolve and adapt to challenges in order to ensure that policing and criminal justice services remain relevant. A partnership approach will lead to improved services for you, the public. For more information on the Police and Crime Commissioner's vision and priorities for Dyfed-Powys, download the Police and Crime Plan from our website.